So here we are. In this video we're going to be testing Flame Orange. I've had these for a little while. They're sold by West Kent Cans, which is a local shop to me, or shall I say online store. Some of you probably know it. So yeah, previous video I tested the 94s, MTN 94. This video I'm going to be testing these. Paid £3.50 each for these. Pretty good deal. So I'm going to be using the curry, that brighter yellow, orange. For the outline I'm going to use the duller mustard dark for the 3D. So I've used this paint before. It's pretty good. It's a high pressure version of Flame. You've got Flame Orange and you've got Flame Blue. Flame Orange being the high output, as it says, and then Flame Blue being the softer low pressure.
The valve system on the Flame Orange spray paint is actually really nice. It's not too stiff that it works your finger out a ton, but it's not too soft that it doesn't give you any feedback. I actually prefer the MTN 94 valve system though, not that we're comparing the two, but I used the two brands whilst I was painting this piece in particular, so I'm kind of comparing them now. So yeah, Flame Orange is good though, can't complain about it.
Yeah, for a light shade, covers really well. I know some of those NTN 94s are a little bit weak, the yellows. I think I said it in the previous video.
I love how crisp and clean this paint is coming out the can with a level 1 cap. I can't remember what kind of paint this is. I have a feeling it's matte. Maybe it's not, no. It's kind of dry more like a gloss. It's got a bit of a shine to it. Don't know whether you can see that on camera.
We haven't got the best conditions today. It is definitely a bit damp, and the mulch is pretty fresh. It's definitely not dry. We had a big blister here which was filled with water, which is that patch, and then we've got this patch here which there's a little drip just came down. That is a big blister there which is filled with water, and it's kind of seeping out in a few different spots, which is destroying this part of the piece, but here's what it is. This is the UK in November. It could be worse, I suppose. At least it's not freezing cold. And we've got some good paint, so yeah, like I say in most of my graffiti paint review videos, pretty much all spray paint is good nowadays. It's just kind of what price point you want to spend, and also what you're using it for. If it's something like a mural that's going to be out in the sun, you want to look for something that's better quality. UV degradation is good. This is kind of like a mid-range paint in my opinion. You know, it's not super cheap, but it's not really expensive. Like this MTN 94, that is really expensive. Not that I paid for it, but yeah. All right. Real look ski on the camera. Yeah, looks alright. The bottom of the S looks really like twisted. Don't know how I've managed that. It's weird. I also don't have any light grey at the bottom of the blue fade on the S, which is a bit of a schoolboy error, but fuck it. Oh, missed a bit. I think I'm going to use a skinny cap for the outline, but I'm going to paint it quite thick. So, right, this is the real test to see how the lighter of the two colours performs. Always give your paint a good shake. Yeah, you see all the spray paint's just like soaking into the emulsion. Yeah, I had a bit of schoolboy error this morning. A noddy move. I spilled loads of the emulsion on my foot. Right, let's give it a whirl. It should work quite well with this colour combo. I'm not blowing my own trumpet, but I feel I'm quite good at picking colour combos. Some people are absolutely rubbish. Or they just have different tastes. Could be that. Although I can remember quite a few pieces where I've got it wrong. And that's maybe where you learn the most.
I want to start to paint more pieces with thicker outlines, like I'm doing here using a skinny cap. I know it takes longer and it's slower, but you can be more precise, and then when it comes to doing little fine kind of details and bits and pieces, like it's kind of, you don't even need to do cutbacks with like a cutback colour, if you get what I mean. It's just like you can just do it the first time precise. Obviously, if you're into doing cutbacks as well, that'll be even more crisp. So, yeah, maybe that's an avenue to go down with outlines. Obviously, I wasn't too accurate here. Big sweeping lines or big long straight lines are obviously quite difficult to get right, to get the proportions right. That's where it probably would be better using just a fat cap and just doing it in one big hit. So, thank you for watching this video so far. So, let me quickly go through my points, which I like to review when I do my spray paint reviews. So, there are 135 high covering acrylic colours in this range. It's matte finish. I like a matte finish paint, so very good. It comes with a pink dot fat cap as the stock cap, but I thought it was an orange dot on this can that I had here. But anyway, it doesn't really matter, it's a fat cap. So, price. This is the best part for me. It's actually really well priced, in my opinion, for, well, if you stack it up, the quality versus the price and other brands on the market and how much they cost, it's actually really well priced, in my opinion. So yeah, is there anything else for me to go through? Not really. I was going to check if the balls inside are magnetic or not, but let's not worry too much about that. Because I don't have a can to hand and a magnet. So anyway, thanks for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up because that's really helpful for my videos as a whole. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and drop a comment and tell me whether you've tried Flame Orange before and what you think of it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.